Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a beautiful, moody and romantic gothic look in a dress to impress. So whether you love the Victorian goth, soft goth or modern romantic goth style, this tutorial will help you nail the look in DTI. So let's just get started to make this look. But first, as you guys can see in here, for the hair, I'm using this long straight hair combined with the bangs from this one and also this bangs all in black color. I'll just make the outfit. So first, I'm going to put on this necklace and change all the color into black like that. And let's go to the dressing room and click on the currency item tab. Use this tab. First, to color, I'm going to use this patterns like this. Don't forget to change the material and leave the rest as it is, except the last one, change it into black. Put on the sleeves also with the same pattern. Also the skirt. First preview the patterns and the second one leave it as it is. Last one, you can just put on the shoes. So I'm going to use this long boots in here. Change all the color into black. So guys, this is the romantic goth look in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.